Hi, I'm Britta Anabuski with Meet Green, and this is my meeting in a minute. We're here at the Portland Doubletree, and wanted to talk to you guys about how we set up our break stations sustainably. You'll see we have everything out here in bulk. So we have our sugar and our Splenda, and the cream and everything else. We would also do China service, no disposables. If you have to have disposables, make sure you're having a sustainable option. And when we like to set out our food as unpackaged as possible, so everything is just a grab and go situation. Again, our China and our bulk option if you have jam or something like that. And then we like to make sure that the composting is really close by so guests can get rid of whatever they need to, as well as the recycling just at hand as well.